Bonjour les élèves. As you know, the second part of this week is about understanding and use the vocabulary of your crib, like Monsieur Taricharu says, your house. Okay. So, comprendre et utiliser le vocabulaire de la maison. What I'm going to do with you is just to go through the vocabulary, just to make sure you get the pronunciation right, because you will have to present your house. And it's important, as you know, to make sure you pronounce the words well so we can understand you well. Okay, alors, first one, ma maison, mon appartement. The T is silent. Bienvenue chez moi. Bienvenue chez moi. So you can see I'm highlighting with this pen the silent letters, huh? So the one you don't say. L'entrée, le corridor, le salon, la cuisine, la salle de bain, ma chambre, la chambre de mon frère, la chambre de ma sœur, if that's your sister's bedroom, okay, sœur, mon chat, mon chien, à gauche, à droite, mon jardin, dans ma chambre il y a, dans le salon il y a. Main expressions here. These are the key sentences that you will say. Voici ma chambre. Here is my bedroom. Dedans, inside, il y a, there is. Mon lit, my bed. Mon bureau, my desk. Mes jeux vidéo, my video games. Mes livres, my books. Mes, etc. So here, feel free to go look up some more words in the dictionary to describe everything that's in your bedroom or in any rooms of your house. It could also be your living room you're presenting. Voici mon salon. Dedans, inside, il y a, there is, la table à manger, the dining table, la télévision, the TV, le sofa, the sofa. So really, the most important, the keywords here that you will repeat every time is voici, here is, dedans, inside. Sorry for the handwriting, it's terribly difficult to write on this. And il y a, there is, okay? Voilà. So I'm going to let you use the PowerPoint that Monsieur Tarisha has put on the Firefly for you to go through all the tasks and all the little activities to finally presenting your house in a video if you can. I'm going to ask Monsieur Tarisha to share them with me because I, of course, miss you loads, all of you, and I love to see the work that you do. So, bon courage et à bientôt.